So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy meme coins here on crypto.com. So once crypto.com's opened up, I actually want you to go to the home screen here. Then I want you to go to where it says favorites and press on see all and then press on that. Once you're on this page or the market page, I want you to go to the top. So where it says coins right now, I want you to press on categories. And once you're here where it says memes right here under featured, simply go ahead and press on that. Now what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different meme coins. So if you were to scroll down, you can view large cap meme coins. So you have Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, Bonk, etc. If you're looking for more obscure stuff, you can press on large cap. You can find small cap, or just for simplicity's sake as well, you can go ahead, press on small cap right here, press on alphabetical, and you can view all the meme coins that are being offered in an alphabetical format. So very simple, very straightforward. So for example, if you wanted to, let's just use Dogecoin as an example. Press on Dogecoin right here. It'll show you the amount that you're looking to buy. If you want to buy, go to the bottom, press on buy, and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy meme coins on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.